How to use Zoom on laptop. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a short tutorial on how you can use it. So first thing first, in order to use Zoom on your laptop, you have to install it. Launch any of your preferred web application, type in Zoom download. And likewise, click onto the first search result and download Zoom for your device. Once it is so, you also have to get logged into your account. So in case you don't have an account, you have to create one. In case you already have an account, get logged into it. Also be noted, a Zoom account can also be signed in with your Google account. So once done, you will see a page like this. In here, if you would like to start an instant meeting, click on new meeting here and start with video or anything, and then you can go ahead and start a new meeting instantly. If you would like to join a meeting, click on the plus icon, type in your name, which will appear as you, and then simply paste the link or the meeting ID. Now, if somebody has shared you a Zoom link, you can also click onto it. As you click onto it, you will get landed onto a page like this. And once this loads, you will directly jump into the meeting. And just like so, this is how you can do it. Now, if you would like to explore more features of Zoom, you can also click onto your initial, and this will be your email address. If you click onto my profile, it will open up a search browser where you will get landed onto a page like this, and you can go ahead and change your profile picture and your name by clicking on this edit button. And just like so guys, these are some basic features of Zoom and how you can use it. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.